東へ行きましょう。東へ行きましょう。You'll be able to read and understand this sentence if you learn kanji expressing directions. Also, when you look at Japanese map, you'll be able to read and understand these words. Isn't it cool? You can read them without English subtitles or hiragana. I think it's cool. This kanji means east, east, and it is read as higashi and to. Higashi and to. Actually, there are 4 types of kanji, and this one is a pictograph. It is a rough sketch of object it represents. For example, kanji means mountain or mouth. They actually look like a mountain or mouth, right? What do you think this kanji represents? The answer is a bag with both ends tied up. Some say that the sound expressing bag were similar to the sound expressing east, and that's why they started using this kanji as east. Memorize this kanji as tree with the sun, as the sun rises from the east. This kanji higashi is used when we write Tokyo. You know Tokyo, the capital of Japan? We use this kanji. Tokyo. Tokyo is written like this in kanji. And this one means east, obviously, and the other one means capital. Kyoto was capital of Japan for a long time, and if you see Japan from Kyoto, then Tokyo is located at the east side of Japan, right? So the capital located at the east, and that's the Tokyo. Tokyo. Also, we call Tokyo and surrounding area, 茨城、栃木、群馬、埼玉、東京、神奈川、千葉 prefectures to be precise, as Kanto region. Kanto region. For Kanto region, when we write Kanto region, kanji higashi is used here too. East side of Japan. Kanto region. Yay! You can read it now. Yay! We call northeast part of Japan as Tohoku Chiho, and we use this kanji higashi again here. Tohoku Chiho, which include Akita, Aomori, Iwate, Yamagata, Miyagi, Fukushima prefectures. They all together we call as Tohoku Chiho. Tohoku Chiho. This kanji, nishi, nishi. This kanji means west. And this kanji is read as nishi, sei, sai. And this kanji is a pictograph again. And some say that this kanji came from the image of the sunlight shines through the bamboo basket. Or the others say bird's nest. You know, birds go home, go back to their nest in the evening. Evening when the sun sets to the horizon, to the western sky. So maybe you can memorize this kanji with the image, whichever works better for you. We call Kyoto, Osaka, and surrounding area as Kansai region, which include Kyoto, Osaka, Wakayama, Nara, Shiga, Hyogo prefectures. Kanji nishi is used here for Kansai. Kanto and Kansai. Woohoo! You can read it now. Kanto and Kansai. Next kanji is this. Minami. This kanji means south. It is read as Minami, Nan, Na. There are some theories about this kanji. Some say that this kanji is also a pictograph, and it is expressing a shed, like a small house, which is warm inside, and that's why the plants growing inside. Or the others say this is the grass and it is growing because the warm wind coming from the south. So we don't know for sure, but maybe you can memorize this kanji like this. Last kanji is this. Kita, which means north. This kanji is read as kita or hoku. Kita or hoku. This kanji depicts the two people turning their back on each other. Why this kanji means north? Well, some say that when you look at the sun, you facing the south and your back is always facing the north. And that's where this kanji north came from. Do you remember Tohoku Chiho, northeast part of Japan? We use kanji kita north, kanji expressing north here. So kanji expressing east here and kanji expressing north. Tohoku Chiho, Tohoku Chiho. So the sun rises from the east and the sunlight shines through to the west and the warm wind coming from the south, and at the north people are running away because north is usually cold. And that's my own story, and you can maybe make your own story to memorize these 4 kanjis. 東、西、南、北、東、西、南、北、東西、南北、東西、南北、東、西、南、北、East, West, South, North, East, West, South, North. Woo! Singing a song with gesture, and that improves your memory. Now, if you look at the map of Japan, you'd find many kanji expressing directions. Tohoku, I talked about it before, and Hokkaido. We use kanji north here because Hokkaido is located at the north part of Japan, obviously. And Kanto, I talked about it before as well. And Kansai. Yay! This time, yay! You have to answer the readings and meaning of kanji I'll show you. Deal? Let's begin! This. Can you read this kanji? The answer is Nishi. Nishi. And it means west. West. Did you get it? Next. This. The answer is Minami. Minami. And it means south. South. Next. This. Do you remember? The answer is Higashi. Higashi. Do you remember its meaning? It means east. East. Next. This. The last one. The answer is kita. Kita. It means north. North. Difficult quiz. Can you read this? I know it's difficult. It's not beginner level. The answer is Kanto. Kanto. And it means Tokyo and the surrounding area. Kanto region. Kanto region. And next. And next, this one. The answer is Kansai region. Kansai. Kansai. Do you remember its meaning? It means Osaka and Kyoto and surrounding area. Kansai region. Can you read this kanji? This. Okay, the answer is Tohoku. Tohoku. And it means northeast part of Japan. Northeast part of Japan. Tohoku region. Around this area, which include Akita, Aomori, Iwate, Miyagi, Fukushima, Yamagata region. Yamagata prefectures. ありがとうございました。Thank you for watching. Today I talked about kanji expressing directions. I like learning kanji, so I hope you enjoyed learning kanji with me. And please subscribe if you liked my video. And I hope to see you again on the next video. ありがとうございました。バイバイ。